In that last one, we was telling you pretty much that we all got our own paths and that I just had to start talking to God with y'all a little bit more. That's why I'm looking up there like that. Just follow my voice, right? So you start following my voice. And then we remember that it's a light up there, but we tell ourselves that every day we just got to pray a little bit more, take a little bit more action. Amen, right? It's spilling over from really Sunday, really. But once again, shout out to Dad. We know it takes time. Amen. We just right here with you. That's all we was saying, right? Mhm. Mhm. It's always something in my eye and something in my spirit. So let me bowl down there. I might have to clear it. Not written down, just the sounds of my mind. This probably the third one. It was just gonna be titled next video, but this might be the sounds of the mind. Right? Still seeing the sun right up there. Still seeing the light. Another day, another night. Knew that was coming. It was around. All right, so you following? You following the voice? You hear the sounds of the mind. We speaking to you, right? We trying to figure out why you don't be brushing your teeth like that. Why you forget oral and regular hygiene is important. Oof. Hot breath. I'm glad you said that. Yo motherfucking breath smell like lukewarm piss. Sit the fuck down. Ew. Yeah, that's you. Mm. Right. 2 minutes in. Mm-hmm. So we done cleared out the bowl with you. We might give you some more sounds of the mind. We don't know. What did he just do? What was that? Hey, niggas don't like that. Oh, niggas start. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. I hope y'all ready for the holidays. More sounds of the mind. Be safe out here, cause we seeing it on you, right? Cause the sun, the light still shining. We remember it was times. It was times where your favorite nephew cousin didn't think it was gonna work. It be times where your favorite nephew cousin be like, man, fuck this shit. We wish your favorite nephew cousin would stay on task and talk faster. Bad. See, this is why we love talking to you, because we know we can get to what we need to get to with you, right? So we kind of hold your hand, dap you up a little bit, make sure you straight, because your tender collar having ass can't never get it together, right? Mm-hmm. We're always waiting on you to comprehend what we're saying. Mm-hmm. So we get here, right? You kind of turn us down because you don't like how we talking to you, right? So you bloop bloop bloop. Now we deep in your ear. Hey you, get them out of here, right? We already know they're not in the classroom, right? So we in your ear, like Draymond was doing Kevin Durant, right? We right here. Feel that frequency. We was telling y'all in that last one pretty much that we all got our paths, we all got our journeys to make. 428, right? Still rolling, still going. More sounds of the mind. Or next video. What I notice is, see, I ain't even in the bowl right here. I'm on the tray right here. So what I noticed, it be a lot of slack. It be an excuse for every motherfucking thing and everybody. But You talking about your favorite nephew cousin has had it the hardest, and I just still keep moving. And people be swearing I have an easy life, and then I be like, at what cost? Oh, you forget that we forgot that. Oh, you forget that we forgot it and let it go. A lot of times we just can't let it go. We understand why. Do you understand that? You still don't like how I'm talking to you. Got you. That's really all you're caring about. So we just get Mike up there for you, right? You see Mike, look at him. He been looking at you the whole video. You don't even know it. Your favorite nephew cousin. I won't even say I seen some things. We gonna switch that up. We gonna say sometimes I wasn't paying attention. Sometimes I wasn't the best at listening and comprehending. I can say that. There's more sounds in the mind. I'm right here with you now. Come on. It's the cadence, it's the frequency, it's the volume. He's spitting in my ear. My fault. So that's why I be kind of like over here. So that's what he be looking. Yo, I be trying not to. You know what I'm saying? And then it's a group of niggas in the background. Tight shit. And then my down south niggas like looking up. We already know glad they're in attendance. But your favorite nephew cousin has things to begin. More sounds of them. Ooh. Hey, what that boy say? Mm-hmm. 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 7 minutes. 41 seconds. Can't formulate an opinion just yet. We're still updating the analysis, goddamn. Still updating the analysis. Back with more sounds of the mom. Okay, get to it. My fault. It's a tough crowd away game, huh? Mm-hmm. No, what they say at all times. Or you could just say that. I think this be like my 15 minutes of fame. Not even fame, just 15 minutes of stand up. Cause boy, you talking about I have said some funny things in life. And then there was times I said some fucked up things. But everybody laughed. And I was dead serious about my situation. So I just know my time coming, right? You know, the interview, post game interview, and I'm just, why is he so casual? Nigga had to be that way, but right, we tune in on the camera, yo. We had to be that way, but had to let some things slide. Had to stop taking notes at times. And that's what was sad. Nigga had to stop taking notes. That's how bad it got. Moment of silence for that. Goddamn. Shit. More sounds of the mind in this video, but no more sounds of the mind. No more sounds of the mind part 3. That's what he be talking about, bro. That's what he be talking about, bro. But who the fuck want to hear that all the time? And then if y'all be like, we do, it be like, oh, my fault.